this video we're going to show you how to fix a zipper. Whether it's stuck, the teeth aren't catching, or the slider has come off, fixing a zipper is a handy skill to have. Let's dive into the steps to fix a zipper efficiently. A malfunctioning zipper can make clothing, bags, or upholstery unusable, which is frustrating and can lead to unnecessary waste. Learning how to repair a zipper can save you time and money, and extend the life of your items. Before you start, make sure you have the necessary tools. You will need needle nose pliers, a pair of scissors, sewing thread that matches the color of the zipper, a sewing needle, and possibly a replacement zipper slider if yours is broken or lost. Identify the problem with the zipper. Common issues include a slider that moves without closing the teeth, teeth that won't stay closed, or a slider that's come off the tracks. If the teeth aren't locking properly, use the pliers to gently squeeze the front and back sides of the slider so that it provides more compression when pulled. Be careful not to make it too tight, which could cause the slider to jam. If the slider has come off the zipper entirely or it's broken, you might need to reattach it or replace it. Slide the old slider off from the top end of the zipper and replace it with a new one, making sure it's facing the right direction. If it's difficult to remove, use the pliers to help pull it off. If the end stopper, the small band at the end of the zipper tracks, is missing or damaged, create a new stopper by stitching several layers of thread around the last few teeth at the bottom of the zipper. This will prevent the slider from coming off again. Once any adjustments or replacements have been made, test the zipper to make sure it moves smoothly up and down without catching or separating. Adjust as necessary if there are still issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your zipper. With these simple steps, you can repair zippers on a variety of items and keep them functional for much longer. Remember, a little bit of DIY can save you a trip to the tailor or a replacement purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.